The third one is non uniform speed. If a body cover equal distance in unequal time, then the speed is known as non-uniform. It may also take, we can take also it. If the body cover unequal distance in equal time, then the speed is also known as non-uniform. It may be time equal or it may be distance equal. One thing must be equal. For example, we take the two section A, B and C. Here the distances are same, T and T, and the time here we take T, and in the BC we take the time 2T. The speed between A and B, speed in A and B is x upon T. In in BC, x upon 2T. It means it is half of because the speed are different, so it is not uniform speed. Speed AB does not equal to speed BC, so they are known as non-uniform speed. Another example, we take again three section A, B and C. Here we take the distances are x and 2x and the time remains same. Speed AB x upon T, in BC 2x upon T. This means speed AB does not equal to speed BC, so it is known as non-uniform speed. If the speed of AB is not equal to the speed of BC, then it is known as non-uniform speed. The next is instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. If the time interval is very small, also the distance, then the ratio between distance and time is known as instantaneous speed. The time may be 1 millisecond, 1 microsecond. It means time, if it is the it is the ratio between distance and time. If the time is very small, it may be time is equal to 1 upon 100 second, time may be 1 upon 1000 second, or it may be 1 upon 10,000 second. 10,000. For example, नहीं, so it is a ratio between distance and time. For example, if a person in a race crosses the red strip of length 1 centimeter in 1 upon 10 seconds, then its instantaneous speed is 1 centimeter divided by 1 upon 10 second, it is 10 centimeter per second. If a person crossing the finishing line in a race, red strip of thickness 1 centimeter in 1 upon 10 second, then its instantaneous speed is, the length is 1 centimeter and the time it taken 1 upon 10 second. The speed became 10 centimeter per second. So instantaneous speed is the ratio in between distance and time when the time is taken very small.